So, hello guys, we are here with Ming. Ming, why you do coughing, Ming? Are you okay now? Huh? Are you okay? Siguro sobrahan kaming sa tuyo, talaga, very dry, I think the biscuit. Ming, no? So, yun lang guys, we are here with Ming. That's our update for today. At this moment, that is our update guys with Miming. Dito tayo. So, just relaxing. Relax naman din tayo guys. Medyo okay naman ang panahon natin guys, as you can see, kasi hindi tumuloy ang ulan natin today. So, feel so good. Kasi yung mga labada natin natuyo-tuyo na din, kahit hindi naman talaga lahat. Hindi talaga as in tuyo. So, it's so good for us. Kasi medyo naman, not so cold naman guys, to feel cold. So we feel warm at this moment, Ming. Keep warm. Okay. You feel okay now? Okay, Ming. Very good, Ming. So yun lang guys. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Yun lang ang update natin. Hala, yung isang manok ko. Yun lang guys. Tapos na yun sila nagkain. So, yun na lang ang gawin natin ngayon. Kunin yung mga labada. Yung sinampay pala guys. So, sana tuyo na yun. Yun lang guys. Keep safe. Thank you so much and thank you for watching guys. Have a blessed day to all. See you again next. Bye.